Hello guys, in this video we are going to solve this equation. So the equation says 9x minus 27 equal to 0 and we are to find the value of x. So from here 9x minus 27 equal to 0, I'm going to add 27 on both sides. So if I add 27 on the left hand side, it's just going to give me 0, and I'll add it on the right hand side. So it's going to be 27. Okay, so now I'm going to express 9 and 27 each as a power of 3, as powers of 3. So 9x can be expressed, 9 alone can be expressed as 3 to the power 2. So that is the way we can express 9 as a power of 3, and 27 can be expressed as 3 cubed. So this is how we can express 27. So now I'm going to put it back into our original equation. So 3 squared into x equal to 3 to the power 3. Now this takes us to our laws of indices. We have a law of indices which says a to the power m times n is the same as a to the power n times n. So that is what we are going to use in this case to solve that. That is what we are going to use. So it's going to be 3 to the power 2 times x equal to 3 to the power 3. Now I'm going to simplify that. It will just be 3 to the power 2x equal to 3 to the power 3. Okay, so this brings us back to another law of indices. Another law of indices says if these two have the same basis, then we can just equate their powers. So since they have the same basis, we have base 3 and base 3 on both sides. So we are just going to equate their powers and find our value for x. So this is 2x equal to 3. So this is their power. So now we are going to find the value of x from this. So from here, we are just going to divide both sides by 2. So 2x divided by 2 equal to 3 divided by 2. And 2 can cancel out there. So we will be left with x equal to 3 on 2. And this is our value of x. Thanks for watching this video.